Morning friends, Drew here in Lincoln University, Pennsylvania. We're starting a new project today and I wanted to give you the before tour, and it's a little late for the before portion, but we're just getting started here. So over here on the side of the house, we have a customer who has asked us to change some penetrations in the side of the house. They at one point had a deck out here, and they decided they no longer wanted to use the deck. They had two patio doors coming out onto the deck, and that was just no longer working for them. They wanted to reclaim that yard space, get rid of those doors, put some window in, get more access to be able to use that wall space internally. So we got here this morning. Our crew's been working to remove the first door, get that framed up, board it over. We're gonna get house wrap over the front of that, and that'll probably wind up doing us for today. We'll maybe start the drywall process in there because we've got a fair amount of work to do on that side after we get the insulation up. And then this door is coming out second, and we're going to be putting in a bay window into that opening. So we have that here, that's in the back of the truck. And once that's all finished, then we're gonna reside from the bottom of the house up to that line where things are at, and get it back together, ready to go. So getting the last of the OSB nail up on this side, the guys will get the insulation and the drywall started on the inside of things. And then tomorrow we take this door out and we start working on putting the window. Let's see if I can go check that out for you. View from the inside. What's going on here? Wall going up. A little bit of electric stuff to deal with. We'll get that taken out of the way. And then that's the door where the other house is going. So you give the inside view here. So the door's gonna be gone, and there's gonna be a window in its place. And there's our window unit, safe and sound in the back of the truck, ready to get installed once we get to that point tomorrow. So this is Drew in beautiful Lincoln University, Pennsylvania. If we can help solve a problem for you, anything from the roofing, siding, windows, doors, building you a deck, custom dream home, garage, addition, anything on the inside, renovating your kitchen, your bathroom, making over your basement, finishing your basement off, plumbing, electrical, drywall, any of those sorts of things, give our team a call. Weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. We have a dedicated office staff ready to field your calls at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗂𝘁 Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. 𝗂𝘁 Built is your full-service construction and renovation company and a Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. Remember, we're proud of your project. You're proud to say it's not just done. It was 𝗂𝘁 Built. We'll catch you guys on another video. Bye for now.